Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I got this look. So I am going out for dinner, so I thought I would just sit down and film a look for you guys. So I did this really pretty purple kind of smoky eye with a glossy lip. So if you like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so to start off this look, I am going to be using the Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette again. So hopefully this doesn't like fall all over me because it's super messy, but it is very well used and loved. I'm actually going to take this light purple shade and I'm going to put that in the crease. And make sure I'm in focus. So I'm autofocus this really quick. Okay, so I'm taking the Morphe M502 and I'm applying that light purple shade just in the crease. Then I'm gonna be taking that really, like, it's like a, I wouldn't say like a dark purple, but it's not super light either, and it's right next to that shade that I put in my crease, and I'm just going to apply that over the same color that I applied. Okay, so I think that is it for the transition shade and the overall color. I am going to take this shadow from Makeup Geek in Pillow Talk. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Pillow Talk. It's just like this really, really pretty purple, like silvery kind of metallic color. And to apply it, I was going to use my finger, but I'm going to take my Sigma flat concealer brush and I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. That's really beautiful, and that's not even with any kind of prime, like any kind of setting spray or wetting it or anything. That's like completely dry. Then to add just more kind of like a purplish type of sheen to it, I'm going to go over it with the fourth shade in the second row of Carli's palette. Okay, so I'm going in with the darkest purple in her palette, and to really blend all these colors in, I'm just using that same exact Morphe brush I was using earlier, and I'm applying that on the outer V of my eye, and then I'm going to bring it into the crease. Okay, so I am done with the eyes, or like the eyeshadow. I'm gonna let this set and I'm gonna hop offline really quick and apply lashes and, well, yeah, lashes, mascara, and eyeliner, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just applied some lashes. These are the Adele Wispies. You can get these at Walmart. I applied the nude eyeliner by Colourpop in Honeydude, and I used my Buxom lash mascara. So for lips, I'm going to be using the Colourpop lip liner in BFF2. Then just to apply over the lip liner, I'm just going to be using the Buxom lip gloss in Celeste. And for setting spray, I'm going to be using the Pixie Glow Mist. And before I forget, I'm going to be highlighting, and I'm going to be using the light pink in the holographic highlight shade from Carli's palette. Okay guys, so that's it for this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I think it was really fun. I haven't done a glossy lip in a while, but I've been really obsessed with it, kind of like the whole metallics and glitters and holographic shades and stuff. So yeah, I'm really obsessed with lip gloss lately. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like the new background. I decided to add a little something just so it's not so like plain and just like white and stuff like that. Let me know what you guys think. But anyways, yeah, so this is it, and please like and subscribe before you leave, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.